Hi, I'm Maddie Lambert, Associate Editor for Commercial Baking, and I am here in Orlando for IDDBA 2026. We have 3 days full of, to start, great food. We just watched some incredible sessions from Trevor Noah, Alton Brown. Yesterday we watched Anne-Marie Roerink. Of course, we got some insights on trends, and we're going to do a deep dive into everything that's just shaping bakery culture, and I can't wait to share it with you. So come with me. So the need for convenience and extended shelf life is really creating opportunities in the C-store space. Consumers' need for speed is really driving demand for prepackaged meals, and bakery can play a huge role in that. Donut holes aren't anything new. However, we're seeing a lot of innovation happening in the flavor space. Global flavors like ube are really making an impact with this category specifically. Health and wellness trends are certainly evolving, and products that use processes like long fermentation are really feeding into that need. Consumers are looking to bakery for celebrations and special occasions, and the need for full-size offerings is as strong as ever. Innovation with flavor, format, and shapes are really taking off in the pretzel category. Consumer loyalty to legacy products comes from much more than just brand recognition. It comes from emotional connection and quality of the product. Well, that is a wrap for IDDBA 2026. I've had so much fun walking the show floor, attending sessions, trying yummy food. As you can see here, I might have spilt some, but that's okay because we still had fun. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm so glad you guys got to see all the trends that are shaping 2026.